I'm Lindsay Calla, television host and fashion stylist. And today I'm on a photo shoot where we're spotlighting a hot holiday trend with Mary Kay. My blog, Saucy Glossy, is all about relatable, attainable style. And this year I'm putting together something fresh for party season. A 70s inspired suit is an unexpected alternative to the holiday cocktail dress. And it easily transitions from day to night. We're styling the white hot suit with a sultry red lip, winged eye, and sleek straight locks. Start with the cat eye and flats for day, then bring out the pop of red and metallic pumps for evening. The makeup is ultra feminine to contrast the menswear vibe. To get that fiery red lip, Mary Kay True Dimensions lipstick in Firecracker is gorgeous. We're applying it here with Norshine Plus lip gloss in Rockin' Red and a clear lip liner. On the rest of my face, we're not using a lot of color. For my eyes, we're concentrating on liner and lashes. To open the eye, just a whisk of liquid eyeliner in black and a coat of Lash Love mascara in I Love Black. And I do. Happy holidays to you and yours.